In this video, we are going to learn how to get the first and last element from a list. In this code, currently we have a list called languages. It has 4 elements: Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript. We need to access the first element, Python, and the last element, JavaScript. First, we will show the entire content of that list, the list languages. Execute, and here appears the entire content of the list, the 4 programming languages. Okay, now using slicing, we get access to those 2 elements, the first and the last ones. Okay, I first will add a blank line. The first element we call the variable Python, and we will assign the content of the first element of the languages list. Languages, open parentheses, angular parentheses, and here we specify the index 0. Show an X, show the content of that variable, the variable Python, and we get that name, that element Python. Good. Now the last element. It is very easy. We can use negative indexes. JavaScript. We create that variable, and then from languages we again used the square parentheses and specify the last index. So in this case we can use negative values, minus -1, and then show the content of the JavaScript variable. Good. And then execute, and here we get the content of that variable. We have got the first one and the last one element from the languages list. Okay.